Boost your academic performance with the Leitner system, a step-by-step guide. Hello, studying machines. Want to do better in school? You're in the right place. Today, we're talking about the Leitner system, a super helpful way to help you remember what you learn and do great on your tests. What's the Leitner system, you ask? It's a really cool way to use flashcards to sort your study stuff by how well you know it. Let's break it down. Step 1. Make flashcards with questions on one side and answers on the other. Put in all the big ideas, words you need to know, and any math stuff. Step 2. Take 3 boxes or folders and give them names. Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3. Step 3. Start with all your flashcards in the Level 1 box. Look at them every day. Get one right? Awesome! Move it to Level 2. If you miss it, no worries. It stays in Level 1 for more practice. Step 4. When you're good with Level 1, go to Level 2. Check these cards every 2 days. Right answers go to Level 3. If you mess up, it's okay. The card goes back to Level 1. Step 5. Now, Level 3. These are your tough ones. Look at them every 3 days. Get it right? High five. You can take it out. If you get it wrong, it goes back to Level 1. Keep doing this and you'll end up studying the hard stuff more. This way, you get better and better without spending time on things you already know. The Leitner system is an awesome tool to make your study time work for you. It's all about helping you remember better and learn smarter. So why not try it? Make your flashcards, sort them into the Leitner boxes, and make your study time really count. Your tests won't even see you coming. And there you have it. We hope this simple guide helps you out. Make it your own and keep up with your cards. You got this! Thank you so much for tuning in, Studying Machines. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, happy studying and learning!